How to do a polishing job on your truck with the Milwaukee battery powered cordless. This thing's awesome. Variable speed. Really does a great job. Look at this right here. I've already done this over here. We'll kind of wipe it down afterwards, but it'll be really nice. Get it? Hey, here's a really good product. This Griot's ceramic 3-in-1 wax. I just wiped this down on my truck here, and I'm getting ready to polish it off with my Milwaukee polisher, so it kind of bonds a little better. And just follow me along here. Hey, two great products: the Griot's Garage ceramic 3-in-1 wax, the Milwaukee battery cordless polisher. I just wiped the whole truck down with the ceramic wax, and now I'm going back over the truck with my polisher. Hey, we're cleaning up the F-150 Lightning truck tonight, and I'm using two great products: Milwaukee's cordless battery-powered polisher, the Griot's ceramic 3-in-1 wax. I've already wiped down the whole truck with it, and right now I'm just kind of buffing it all out so it bonds better. Follow me along. About a minute?
Yes.
Good. Just blow off all of this wool. We can salvage that wool, bumpy bag, it's wool everywhere. And we'll wipe her down. Wow, Skr, I am done polishing up my nice 2022 black F-150 Lightning truck. I use my nice Milwaukee polisher, my nice Greenworks Pro blower. I use nice Sam's Club terry cloth towels, the Griot's ceramic 3-in-1 wax. I already washed this truck before I did all this, just for the record. And wow, this thing's just now spit shining. It just really is really nice. I'm liking it. I'm really liking the truck. I put mud flaps on tonight. I've done so many videos of these mud flaps on all my different vehicles. Here's the thing. This has this little like protective thing here, and it's kind of bumping the out the mud flap a little bit, but not much. But hey, thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Ice HTV, and hope this video helps you get motivated to polish your vehicle and make it look just as nice as mine. Wow, how many days later? I've spent a lot of hours in my Ford F-150 Lightning 2022, and if you're following my channel, you see I've just done a whole detail on this truck from Sunday to now, what is today, Tuesday, and I got the windshield replaced, got the interior all cleaned up, and I just polished the whole,
Really a fixer-upper.
I'm sorry?
You're really a fixer-upper.
Yeah, the daughter's giving me credit for all the hard work I've done here. But the truck looks great. I'm excited about this truck. I am. I'm going to start driving it. And just having the right tools and the right cleaners and the right attitude and the right energy. And you end up having just a really nice looking truck. I want to work on the inner fender liners still a little bit more. But other than that, she's really nice. I'm going to get the windows tinted out Do I put a little spoiler in the back of this? Considering that. You'll see a video on that here shortly on that. Hey, thanks for watching Ice Age TV, my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the Wednesday morning conversations. What are we going to talk about? Just tune in and you'll find out.